Hello, Lions. Steven here, your LionDesk trainer, and welcome to our product update roundup, where we show you the newest features and enhancements in LionDesk that are going to help you stay top of mind with your contacts. And this month, we have a few updates for you all. We have two updates. So in this video, we're going to show you how to include images in your mass text messages, and also how to view your metrics and track your progress with our new activity reports. So let's go ahead and jump into LionDesk and show you how. Awesome. Here we are logged into LionDesk, and let's go ahead and get started with our first enhancement. You can now include images in your mass text messages, right? This is such a great tool that you can use to connect and communicate with your contacts. You can include images in your mass text messages, for new listings, holidays, and more. So to send a mass text message, you want to open up the main menu here on the left-hand side and click on Contacts. And you're going to see your contact dashboard, right? This is going to be the home of all of your contacts. So from here, you can send out a mass text message. Simply click on the box next to the name of the contacts that you want to text. So you can select a few. You can click on the box above to select this entire page, or you can click here to select all of your contacts. Once selected, you're going to see the following icons appear above. And I'm going to click here, SMS, to send a mass text message. Once you click, it's going to take you to the following page. And as you scroll below, you'll see the section where you can type in your text message. Right? And with this new enhancement, you can now include images in your mass text messages. To include an image, you want to click here in the upper right, Insert Image, where you'll get the following pop-up window. So you can drag and drop your images here, or click on the cloud icon to select from your computer. So for this example, I want to send out a happy 4th of July image. Click open, and you're going to see that image here below. So you'll see the preview, as well as the width and the height, so you can customize the image size. Once you're ready, you can click here on Upload. And you're going to see this code for your image. Once you're ready, you'll scroll below, and you'll click on Send Now. You can also schedule your mass text messages for a later date. Simply click on Scheduled. And if you want to have it on a recurring basis, you can click here, Scheduled and Recurring. So this is how you can include images in your mass text messages. Awesome. Okay, y'all, let's go ahead and move on to the next update. You can now view your metrics and track your progress with our new activity reports. To view the new activity reports, simply open up the main menu on the left, scroll below, and click on Reporting. Awesome, and you're going to see our new activity reports. With our new activity reports, you can track your metrics such as emails sent, text messages sent, calls made, and more. Right? You can view your metrics and compare them over the past week, month, or even year. So this is going to be a great tool to track your activity and get insight into your marketing efforts. So with our new activity reports, you're going to see the following graph. And if you scroll to the bottom, you're going to see the following table. Right, so again, with our new activity reports, you can track all of your metrics over the past week, month, and even year. To set the time frame that you want to track, you want to scroll to the top, and you're going to see the following drop-down menu. Simply click here, and you'll see all the different time frames that you can track. So you can track yesterday, this week, the past 7 days, and so on. Simply click, and you're going to see the graph as well as the table updates. Scrolling below to the table, you're going to see a summary of all of your metrics, including emails sent, emails opened, text sent, text received, and so on. If you would like to export this information, simply click here to export into a CSV file. So while the table will give you a summary of all of your metrics, the graph above is going to focus on a single metric, which you can select here by clicking on the drop-down menu and selecting from the available metrics. Simply click. Once selected, you will see that metric graph over the following time frame. With the new activity reports, you can also compare two metrics. To select your second metric, simply click here and select from the drop-down menu. So we can compare email sent versus emails opened. Simply click, and you'll see the graph update with an orange line. That will represent the second metric. As you hover over each of these points, you're going to get more detailed information about that metric on that specific date. And better yet, you can compare this current time frame with the previous time frame. That way you can track your progress. To do so, simply click here on the following box to compare to the previous period, and you'll see the exact dates listed right below. Simply click, and you're going to see your metrics update. You will see new lines appear that will represent the previous period. So for the first metric, the second time frame will be represented by a light blue line, whereas the second metric in the previous time frame will be represented by a light orange line. That way you can compare both metrics using this graph. So the new activity report is a great way for you to track all of your metrics and view your progress over the past week, month, and even year, which is especially great for our admins and team leaders, as they can now measure the progress of their sub-accounts and their team members respectively. With activity reports, admins and team leaders can now view account activity and measure production. So check out the activity reports and make the most out of your LionDesk account. Awesome. All right, y'all. So that concludes the updates for this product update roundup. So again, in this video, we showed you how to include images in your mass text messages, and also how to view your metrics and track your progress with our new activity reports. So go ahead, log into LionDesk and check out our new features.